on the left, and we got a quest front.
I have
club.
1-1 by the way.
Wait, none of you pulled this? You guys are cunts.
I'm coming, dude. I was just looking for the rare.
We got the gnomes.
You got gnomed! I'm happy I got gnomed.
Yeah, I like gnomes.
Oh, we got elementals. Yikes.
That's a bit of yikes.
And there's no read. Oh, no. Golden vein is here. I'm pulling.
Which one?
Golden vein.
Is that the a big?
It's the magma elemental.
Oh, okay, yeah. One of them with the pouches. Yeah, get you. What do you have? Oh, free. I got a free quest.
You need help? No, are they? No, not this shit again.
No.
Wait, then.
Coming out.
Oh, they're not doing anything?
They just can't figure out how to go out of the fucking base.
Oh, sounds like really hard to go like out of there.
They can't go down the stairs.
It matches your AI, so...
Wow. Just get attacked like that? What did we ever do to you, Limpo?
Nothing. What did I ever do?
Did you release?
Nothing.
Oh, there was
Is that a
a...
good thing or a bad thing?
Well, when I joined the guild at the start, you hated me for some reason.
Holy shit.
You fucking loved me.
Was it after he
Oh, if you're close... No, they're not.
I'm already down at the mines, going around.
You might not make it for the orb, so I should probably release. No, they're picking it up. But golden vein is 70%.
Okay, I should go up then.
80%.
I'll die. Fuck me. Elementals downstairs. Unbound. To the left.
I'm running right after, right?
It's the left side again, Dante. But I'm dying, so I'll come right after.
Yeah, just go back while I'm going down there.
Yeah, I'll go back and go there.
And backs is to the left way down.
Yeah. Also tell if you see the second quest I have. Torch and shovel, but I don't know where it is.
If you didn't see it downstairs, it's you didn't go there.
It's top.
I'm looting the bag. I'm looting the bag since.
Yeah, please loot the bag. I'll go. Where did you say the quest will be then?
Try go up at the top.
Okay, I'll go.
Because there's a good chance it'll be there.
Already been up here, I think.
There's the end, like at the top. There should be like a. Oh, you see there it is?
Oh, you're right. Oh, in this easy club.
I'm running for
Elementals?
No?
Yeah, I'll come.
You can actually pull the elemental from me if you want.
Yeah, I'm coming. But I was planning to go there anyways with them.
Holy shit, we're fast. I can get us to like 10k now if I go down the elemental.
Yeah, we should be able to hit it all with this.
If you kill the big elemental, we end at 800.
I'm doing just what I'm fucking waiting for. That's maximizing time.
That's good.
Oh,
Good.
but the rare one. This is good. Like, plan. I knew that.
Holy shit, we're 4 minutes?
Hamstown, how was your schedule?
My what?
He was just fucking tanking for Argus, dude. You don't remember?
Oh yeah, as soon as you joined, right? Like, no pulling, no nothing. Just time.
Yeah, he was the biggest lad ever, dude.
First he came in.
Well, to be honest, his weapon was higher. No, his trinket was higher in tank than.
Yeah.
They're coming now, Timestamp.
Oh, I thought it meant me. I was like, no, please no. If they tell, but no, now action. Trinket. 11k.
Oh, he's actually blessed me.
I still have one big note. After this.
I'm gonna look for notes that... I'm gonna actually loot this thing. That might be 300. Do you have something, Sense?
No, I'm nothing. Looking. Nothing.
Anyway, this is a
I'm
fucking
arguing.
giga time anyways.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's really good. We need to do a 4-minute one so we can put that one up and say like we're better than everyone else.
Oh, go. Kill something.
Just kill mob.
I have only gold vein. I mean.
I'm gonna I'm gonna fucking do this shit just for winning.